Hey guys, now we have this brand spanking new bathroom. We have just started to style it and dress it. We have a lot of baths, several a week, and we thought a bath caddy would be the perfect accessory for our bath. Now, the ones that you can buy in shops often just look a bit cheap and nasty, and the wood tones didn't really match what we've got going on in our bathroom, so we decided that we could just make one ourselves. We headed down to Musgroves in Christchurch, which is a demolition yard, and picked up an $8 piece of vino for the base of the bath caddy. We ran it through our Ryobi thicknesser, and this was my first time using it, and it was super easy. I jumped into the bathroom and measured up our bath. I wanted to ensure it was a custom fit. I then took my measurements, headed outside and measured up the piece of emu and used the Ryobi skill saw to cut it. Again, another first for me, and it wasn't so scary after all. We recently picked up this Ryobi 1+ sander, and it was so nice not having to plug anything in. It took minimal time and did a beautiful finish. I then flipped it over and measured out where my stays were going to be. So these are really important, so while you're in the bath, your wine's not going to slide off with the wood onto the floor or into the bath with you. To find out where your stays go, measure the inside of your bath and allow about 5 mils to let it move around a bit. And a top tip here is to drill some pilot holes before putting your screws in. This just ensures that the wood doesn't split. Once it was all assembled, I flipped it over and used a Danish oil to stain it. I used an old Hayden brush to apply the stain, and we just fell in love with the stain colour when we were in Bunnings. So it was really cool because they showed examples on different types of wood, so we could see what it would look like with a Remu piece of wood. If you have any recycled wood around your house, definitely give it a crack. So much fun and super easy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.